So over here, you can see that I have this particular subtitle project right here with subtitles popping out right here. So now what you can actually do is edit out the subtitles as well if you want. For example, over here, you can see that as I scroll along right here, you can see it says under my home task, you got some tasks and so forth right here. So if I were to go around and play this, we can go ahead and hear out how it sounds like. See that I have some tasks right here. Under my home task, you got some tasks and so I'm supposed to say under my home task right here, you got some tasks and so forth right here. So this is quite fine. So let's just go ahead and play it. Under my home task, you got some tasks and so forth right here. So now you can actually go ahead and then rearrange out that task by clicking and dragging the task from. So clicking and dragging, let's say I want it right here on the top. So I can actually go ahead right here. And let's say, for example, type in clicking and dragging right here, just like this. And I can go ahead and remove these out right here. So now you can go ahead and edit it out just like this. So let's just go ahead and press the play button now. And actually go ahead and then rearrange out that task by clicking and dragging the task. But the timing didn't match up. So I can go around over here and then press the play button again and dragging the task right here. So until dragging, for which the timeline is right around this section, and dragging, I can go ahead and rearrange this out as well. So let's say this particular subtitle is still here, and then this particular subtitle is still here. So I can go ahead and press the play button now, and then see how it actually looks like. That task by clicking and dragging the task from one list to another right here. So let's say I want to remove out the right here. So I can go ahead and remove it out as well. So let's just go ahead and remove this out. And if I were to press the play button, one list to another right here, just like. So apart from that, I can even go ahead and press enter to go ahead and break out the subtitles as well. So if I were to press the play button now, so now you can actually go ahead and then rearrange out that task by clicking, and everything is actually rearranged. You can even go ahead and change out the time right here as well. So as I press the play button and then rearrange out that task by clicking and dragging the task from one, and this is what you have. You can even go ahead and change the timing from over here. So let's say, for example, if I want from 29 seconds right here, you can simply go ahead and type it in and it gets rearranged and actually gets overlapped a bit. So you need to go ahead and arrange it out and so forth. So this is basically how you can go ahead and edit out the subtitle text and the time for the subtitle text as well inside of HappyScribe. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.